Hello there. Today I will introduce you to Proton V32. Before introducing to accessories, let us give you information about Proton V32. The Proton is the top model of the 32 Proton series. The Proton V is the top of the 32 Proton series, and for 816 these models. Whereas the title, the number of the sensors, followed by number of sensors. There are 32 sensors. It products at much higher resolution than the Proton V series. Proton has 32 three types of search capability. Voice deletes gives a positive value. It the metal finds negative values. The Proton is the top model of the 32 Proton series. Another feature of the Proton is 32. 32 sensors to this search for free made by moving the same. This method does not matter in which direction we move. We show you in a practical way later in the video. The Proton and 32 Frost feature is ultrasound. Receives ultrasound image with the same sensors. This feature works with the computer as peer operate. Our screen consists of the top-down trade screen. We see circular matrix representing each sensor on the screen. In this process, we see the metal in the gap. We can understand how close or far the ground. You can see this clearly in reflection 3D software. Proton V32 Plus and minus values are clearly seen in our software. Yes, Lina, 32 to instructions together accessories. Our bag is waterproof. The Proton has 32 sturdy bags. We are opening our bag. Our main unit is like this. Battery of the device, charger, headphones, our Bluetooth device, our horizontal sensors, holding and moving. We can add tablet or computer to our arm when the happens to this cane be done according to the request of the users of the Proton V32. Let's switch to installation of our device. There are arms on the side our main unit. There's a neck strap here. Can be adjusted from these sections. We have sensors inputs the sections. Firstly, we are wearing our Bluetooth antenna. I am wearing the battery of our device. You can put the battery where you want to connect our sensor. Proton V23 series. Can be adjusted from these sections. We have sensors inputs the section. Firstly, we are wearing our Bluetooth antenna. I am wearing the battery of the device. You can put the battery where you want to connect our sensor. We mount our sensor on the handle. The short portion of the sensor cable should be on the left side. This arm can be mounted to the place of your choice as per user's request. Mount comfortable, the cable must face upwards during shutting. The use must be sure that the cable is face up. I hold the cable on the handle. The shape of the sensors to the main unit is clearly definite. I made by preparations before I starting shutting. Thanks, Lina. Let's switch to installation of our device. There are arms on the side of our main unit. Proton V33. Come on. Come on, Lina. Either for such a height sensor should be closer to the ground, but this height should not exceed the level of the knife. Before I started shooting, you were ready go. Lina, I thought was a professional user, but I forget my headset, Lena. Give me, give me headset. I put on the headset, our file is ready. 10 steps and our favorite steps cannot be selected. I turned on my device. Let's move to the area where we shot. Proton 32 users come to our field of the attraction. Why? Have we put these marks? Make shooting more heady. I chose 10 steps before I started shooting. We will do parallel application. I starting to practice. Proton V32 users. We completed the parallel shot. Stop distance to the at standard level Proton V32 users. I set distance between the steps to 15 centimeters. All these distances are equal, ensuring that image is not good. Proton V32 users of the must he equal to the distance of each steps. The second and the third signal range must be equal. Yes, of course. Each step. In this application, we want to tell you that it every steps is equal. Proton V32, you get his resolution image. This brings you closer to the target. Proton V32, in this application, we want to tell you that it every steps is equal. Proton 32 users often now in our live see application. How to search live? Yes. Let's start. Proton V32 users. Live search on computer or tablet we can an instant image. We can move the direction we want to save the image. We can look at the target. Proton Way 32 live search. Yes, Proton V32 ultrasonography added. We can to the by holly our sensor on the ground or intercellular mutations. I can weave 3 meters behind. My malaria are breathing in the ultrasound scan. I use the sensor with small movements to the get high resolution image. We can move the direction we want to save the image. Proton V32 ultrasound scan. I use the sensor with small movements to the get height resolution image. I can view 3 meters behind my military of protein in the ultrasound scan. Proton V32 ultrasonography added. We can this by holiday or sensor in the ground or computer. I use the sensor with small movements to the get high resolution image. I will reinstall the Proton N32 device. I installed the Bluetooth antenna. We connect our battery. Our outer connection is our sensor. Our connection is now complete. We open our battery. The average standard battery allows to the hour of use. Our connection is now complete. Our battery. Proton V32 users. When we enter this menu, our first menu, gas matter, is search for metal, search and space. When searching for a space, the negative values find positive values when searching for metal. Our second menu is live mode, transmits the information we receive from sensors. Our third party ultrasound mode works with a computer or tablet. Let you views destination installation. Our from menu is auto scan PC. So it sends on automatic live step to the computer. In this mode, we can select how many steps this signals. When we press the button on the back, our 50 menu is a manual scan that connects to a PC automatically. Scan memory shots. There are 3 plays in total. Saves the area we want. There is no transfer to this computer. The reason for the profile is 32, representing 32 sensors. The 8th mode sends the memory. Nearly the tester part to the computer. Night mode, clear memory. The 10th mode shows the power screen of our drums. $130. Clear memory. The MedMy shows the power screen of our drums. Proton V32 horizontal connection. We are opening our connection. 32 hectare sense. Since our protocol is live scene. We chose 32 because our sensor count is 32. We are now connected. Now you see our screen as a representations. Blue represents at red metal. Since the sensor does not move, the image plays in the same way. While which sensor passes throughout the first sensor. Now, let's move the ultrasound department. Proton V32 ultrasonography distance. We want to ultrasound department. We have brought the sensor to 16 to increase our image quality. Electromagnetic provides a motion. The lower part of the throne, you guess, is the top of the surface, and the top of the triangle. The diameter of our surface is there matters. In this section, we also have a bar scores. We want to ultrasound department. We have brought the sensor to the 16 to increase your image quality. Fourth menu, automatic scan is one-way direction. I choose the protocols, I set the sensor. Country pulse count from the set device. Okay, Harmon steps. I will send signal when the connection okay. When the signal is finished and the buzzer sounds, the line is finished. We are completing this project for lines end. Automatic scan is one direction. Proton V32 fourth menu automatic scan is one way direction. I choose the protocols, I set the sensor country pulse count from the set device. Okay, how many steps? I will send signal when the connection okay. When the signal is finished and the buzzer sounds. The line is finished. Signal. I will send signal when the connection okay. We are completing the project for line end. The project save. Manual scan PC. We are in the section where we transfer manually to the computer. The computer sends signal all every step press. It is best to record and continue to the computer. Automatic scan menu. Sends to memory. We use drop those to the computer. I am going to transfer the memory right now. I say OK. Proton V25 sends the memory. Auto scan menu. Manual scan memory. We mark the sensor aspects. Device securely connect to the computer. This is the speed at which the computer is hand-rated. You can save this data when needed. We can watch 3 videos of replication 3D video get more. We mark the sensor aspects. This is the speed at which the computer is hand-freed. Manual scan memory. We can watch 3 video of reflection 3D video get more. Information to see another video. Thanks. Goodbye.